Hi, this is Kathy Denise Hicks with you Daily Lift, and I'm here to help you find your glorious life. And today we hear from Sean Patrick Flannery, and he says, do something today that your future self will thank you for. And moving in any way, your future self will be so happy you did. Okay, so today I just want to talk about your hips, and this is called the power stance. You got your feet about hip width apart. You're gonna lean to the right, lean a little more, pick up that big toe, focus on the outer edge of your foot. Come back to center. You're gonna hold that for about a minute, and then you'll do this. Lean, lean some more. Put your outer foot, outer edge of your foot on the floor. Come back to center. That's called the power stance. If you know anybody who has ankle problems, next week I'm releasing an ankle program your friend's going to love. Join my YouTube channel and my subscription. Have a great